In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new 5th generation Rode NT1 condenser microphone. First, let's talk about the price. This microphone currently retails for $249 at the time of shooting this video, which is surprising to me because the previous generation is still being sold for $269 and it doesn't have as many features as this microphone. In the box, you're gonna get the mic, a shock mount which comes with a pop shield, an XLR cable, a USB-C cable, and a dust cover to protect your microphone. Going over the specs, this microphone has the exact same capsule as the 4th generation Rode NT1. It also has a cardioid polar pattern, which means it primarily picks up sound in the front and it will reject sound coming from behind the mic. And when you take a look at the frequency response graph, it has a pretty flat response in the low and mid frequencies, but it does have a slight treble boost. But what really sets apart this microphone from its predecessors is its new features. The first being that this mic now comes with a USB-C connection, which means you no longer need to buy an audio interface. This is going to save you at least $100 to $200 because now you can just plug the microphone straight into your computer. The second unique feature about this microphone is that it comes with a built-in preamp, which is something that I haven't seen other mics have, especially at this price point. In addition, it is DSP powered, which means you can actually tailor the sound of this microphone with the Rode Connect software, which is free by the way. You'll be able to add an EQ, a compressor, a noise gate, and other effects that will be very helpful, especially for those of you who are looking to do podcasting and live streaming. But moving on, let's do some audio tests so you can hear how this microphone sounds. You're listening to the Rode NT1 5th generation condenser microphone plugged through the XLR cable into my Apollo interface. I don't have any post-processing going on, and this is what my voice sounds like. Now you're listening to the Rode NT1 being plugged straight into my computer using the USB-C connection. The mic is using its own built-in preamp, and this is what my voice sounds like without any processing. You're my everything, money, silver, gold, and diamond ring. You're my everything, money, silver, gold, and diamond ring. Rode has stated that both inputs should sound the same, so let me know in the comments if there's a difference in the sound, and if so, which one did you prefer? So now let me share with you my overall thoughts of this microphone, but before I do, if you're getting value out of today's content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Starting out with the pros is the price. You're getting amazing value for under $250. This mic comes with everything that you need in order to get started recording. Not to mention, it comes with some really unique features that other mics in this price range just don't have. And the fact that you no longer need an audio interface is already going to be saving you a lot of money in the long run. The second pro, of course, is the sound. I think that this mic sounded really good both on the vocals and the acoustic guitar. And after doing the test, I can tell you that I couldn't really hear a difference between the XLR and the USB-C connection, so I think you're going to be good to go whichever way you choose to record. Something that I do want to mention here is that when I bought this microphone, I thought it was going to sound exactly like the previous generation Rode NT1, but without spoiling too much because I am going to be releasing the mic comparison next week, I can definitely tell you that after doing the audio test and looking at the frequency response graph, this mic sounds pretty similar, but there is a slight difference in the high frequencies. However, are there any cons with this microphone? I could only find one, but it's nothing to do with the actual mic, and I don't think it's going to apply for most people. As you can see here, this shock mount and pop shield are very big, and they're not very camera friendly. So what I mean is if you're trying to shoot video and you place the mic at the best optimal position to get the best sound, as you can see, it covers your face in a very unflattering way. And just for comparison's sake, here's the Rode NT1 and here's my Lewitt LCT for 40 Pure mic setup. This is a shock mount, by the way, and as you can see, you know, there's a huge difference. This is definitely going to take up a lot of space in your shot, and so I don't think it's the best one for camera work. I think it's primarily good for audio recordings. But overall, I really like this microphone. I think you're going to get amazing value and quality for the price, and so I would recommend it to anybody looking to get started with recording, whether that's music production, content creation, podcasting, and voiceover work. If you want to buy the mic, the link is down in the description below. And if you want to learn how to get a great vocal sound out of the Rode NT1, then make sure to click on this video.